before you ask a question, please raise your hand and wait for your turn.
Would you consider playing an extra batsman, or you think that it would still be a defensive move?
Well, it depends on what the surface is like. If it's got enough and there's going to be enough assistance for the bowlers, then the extra batter might come into play. But if not, if the pitch is going to be quite even for batting and bowling, then obviously picking up 20 wickets is going to be priority. The batsman will still have to take responsibility and get the runs on the board. If you don't pick 20, as I said in the past, you can score as many as you want. So it's not about saving one discipline, it's about one discipline taking responsibility of their job and the other discipline taking responsibility of theirs. So, but yeah, I mean, both possibilities are there, looking at how exciting or how spicy the pitch is going to be.
Yes.
Virat, how is your back now? How are you feeling basically?
Feeling fine, feeling absolutely fine. It's been an issue that's been coming on and off again. I got it in 2011 first time, and it happens, with workload it happens. Back is such a thing, you don't know when it's going to go off. So all you can do is strengthen the muscles around it and work on it. So yeah, a bit of strengthening, ample rest, proper rehab gets me back into shape, and I've had it a couple of times before, so it's not a new development. I knew how to handle it.
Jasprit Bumrah is back, fitted in a very good position. How exciting is it having back, and now it's going to be a quick choice to choose this season?
Yeah, very excited with Jasprit getting fit again. He's an attacking bowler, he bowls good lines and lengths. He's very consistent in hitting the areas that are required at the test level. He's shown that in South Africa already, and he's one guy who's really aggressive in his mind. He wants to take the situation front on and basically make the batsman feel uncomfortable out there in the middle, and that's been his biggest strength, and he relishes the challenge whenever given an opportunity. So we're very excited that he's coming back. He's obviously a quality bowler, and it's great to have someone like that in the park.
And does that give you a selection dilemma now to have 4 fit seamers?
No, not really. I mean, guys who are bowling well, who have done well, are the ones who are going to start, and that's something that everyone's aware of. So I don't see any issues there.
Okay.
Virat, you've been reminded at every press conference you've attended about the changes that you carry out every time you go into. I want to ask you about, you might have addressed your team already. Do you think that if some of the batsmen do fail, that are their careers at stake or something?
Whether I feel like that?
No, I mean, what is the team thinking, like in terms of how have you given them the security?
I don't think anyone's thinking like that. I mean, these are just things that are created on the outside, and people like to make a lot of nothing basically. And for us, the priority is just to win games of cricket. We're not thinking of whether someone's career is on the line or what's going to happen in the future. I mean, we're already asking the guys to think about something that is beyond anyone's control. I mean, when it's your time, it's your time, and everyone has had their time in the past. No one can play forever, but that day is not today, and we need to focus on this test match and not think about whether someone's career is on the line or not. I think that's quite a bizarre thought to have.
No, I put it wrong. What I want to say is you have told them, addressed them, saying that this is not about, you providing them the security, and how have you done that?
That's basically your thinking. I mean, I'm definitely not thinking like that. So I won't speak to the guys like, assuring them their careers are not on the line. I mean, that's, as I said, quite a bizarre thought to have.
Final question, English.
Yes, you're 2-0 down with 3 to play. What have you said to your players to help them, particularly the batsmen, help them clear their minds after what's happened in the first 2 tests?
Well, the only thing that we've spoken about is to focus on what the team requires at all times in this test match. And when your back is against the wall, is the time for you not to think of anything else. You can't afford to think of anything else. So if you look at it from another point of view, it's actually a good situation to be in, because you literally have no price or no room for thinking about anything else apart from what the team requires at that particular moment from you throughout the course of the test match. And the only conversation we've had is the only option is to win this game and nothing else. And you need to show that in your body language, in your intent, the way the game, the way you go out, and the way you go about things. It's all about you feeling positive first, and that's the conversation we have had for the last few days. And now it's, as I mentioned in the past, it's up to the individuals to stand up and say, okay, I'm gonna go out there and make a difference, do what is required for the team, and you expect, when you've spoken already, you expect people to take responsibility, and I'm sure that the guys have reflected on the last 2 games, and there will be no other thoughts other than what the team requires at all stages.
Final question. Yes.
हवा ऐसी है, विकेट ऐसे है, बॉलिंग अच्छी है, तो एक बॉल ऐसा होता है कि जिसके ऊपर बल्लेबाज का नाम लिखा हुआ होता है, तो उससे पहले सर्वाइव होना कितना जरूरी है, उसमें रन्स बनाना कितना जरूरी समझते हो?
जी, हम यही डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि यहाँ पे खेलने में एक चीज़ आपको एक्सेप्ट करनी पड़ेगी कि आप अगर 100 रन पे भी खेल रहे हैं तो आप सेट नहीं हैं, क्योंकि कभी भी आपको अच्छी बॉल गिर सकती है, जो आप एज अ बैट्समैन आपको एक्सेप्ट करके अंदर जाना चाहिए। अगर आप उस बॉल के लिए डरेंगे तो आप अपना प्रोसेस कभी नहीं कर पाएंगे। जब वो इंसिडेंट होगा तो आपको उसे एक्सेप्ट करके आगे बढ़ना है, और उसके अलावा आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप जाते सरेंडर कर दें कि अच्छी बॉल ही गिरेगी, क्योंकि अच्छी बॉल गिरने से पहले आपको कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि मैं कितने रन बना सकता हूँ। तो हमने वही, जैसे मैंने बोला, हम टीम के बारे में सोच रहे हैं कि हमें एक टीम टोटल बनाना है, चाहे वो 10 लोग 30 रन बनाए या एक आदमी 200 बनाए, उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है। हमें एक टीम टोटल अचीव करना है, और उसमें अगर आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि 150 या 100 या 125 हो, अगर 40-45 भी क्रूशल रन है तो उसमें भी प्राइड होना चाहिए कि मैंने टीम के लिए कंट्रीब्यूट किया है। वो माइंडसेट में हम जाने की इस मैच से कोशिश करेंगे। उससे अपना पर्सनल परफॉर्मेंस का भी प्रेशर रिलीज होता है, और आप कंडीशंस को भी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं। आप कभी अपनी एबिलिटी से और आगे नहीं जाते हैं, आप हमेशा प्रेजेंट में रहते हैं। तो काफ़ी चीज़ें हमने बात करी है, अब मैटर करता है कि जाके हम फील्ड पे उसको दिखाएं।